Hello, here I have installed a plate load setup to test the load carrying capacity of this strata settlement. Actually, this test is performing to determine the ultimate bearing capacity and settlement performance of the soil. It is required by the designer to design a twin culvert for widening this highway. This is the Gorakhpur Devariya highway and widening will be this side, and this is the drain, and we are performing the test here. See the whole setup. This is your main load truss, capacity of 20 ton, and this is the arrangement for fixing the load truss. We can see here cross beam. Since filled up soil is here, we have fixed the load truss by using spikes and screw pile. Here is the screw pile setup. This is the screw pile setup, and here is the spikes. We can see this is the main load truss. These are the 4 spikes holder, 1 cross beam. This is the cross beam. And this cross beam fixed with the spikes holder by channel and 2 nut bolt. Total one side 48 spikes, 12 in each of the spikes holders are spiked, and this side 3 screwed. Screw size is 30 centimeter, and depth is 1.5 meter. And now see, this is the datum bar, blue color datum bar to fix the dial gauge both side. It is both side. A similar arrangement for fixing the load cell, other side also same. And this rope is known as guy rope. Both sides you can see the both side the guy rope. And now come to the peat. This is your peat. Here we are using 45 centimeter by 45 centimeter square bearing plate, and we have peat of size more than 5 times of the 45 centimeter. It is one size 1.75, other side is 2.5, and its depth is 1.35 meter. It is this depth is equal to the natural water level, and the soil layer at this level soil is silty clay of the dark gray color. And we have already performed the borehole, and we encountered clay soil up to the 4.5 meter depth, and after that depth dark clay color sands starting, and its SPT value of clay soil, clay layer up to the 4.5 meter very low. It is 7, 4 and 3, and for sand it is quite good, and the value is above the 10, 12, 14. Now uh, see other arrangement for the load. We can see that in the this is the pit, and in the pit we have a spacer and we have a hydraulic jack of the capacity 50 ton, and this is the pressure pipe. This pressure pipe connected here, connected with remotely connected with the pump and pressure gauge. We can see the pressure gauge capacity. Now as per code Indian standard 1888, all the setups arranged here, fixed here, and as we know that first we apply, after all the setups, first we apply the setting pressure of 70 gram per centimeter square as per code. We have applied here 100 gram per centimeter square. After that we apply the first increment of 1 ton, then 2 ton, and then 4 ton, and we got at the 4 ton the plate settled, and the settlement of plate is here about 10 about 2 inch, means 6 nearly 6 centimeter above the 2 inch, and the settlement is at the, we can see at the 40 kilonewton and 4 ton, means we can say that approximately at the 4 ton the plate got settled, plate settled, and its ultimate bearing capacity will be equal to 4, approximately equal to 4 divided by 0.45 into 0.45 and but detail analysis is required. So let's see one more times this setup and whole setup here. One more times everything. Here is my Mistri. Okay, hope you got